Hi everyone, my black rice oil is ready. I'm also going to use it in this mixture. So I'm just going to strain it and transfer it into that dark bottle. All of these ingredients that I'm using in my Shea Butter, these are ingredients that I love, but you don't have to use all of them. You can limit it according to your choice. My ingredients are Shea Butter, raw shea butter, my DIY growth oil, olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, organic neem oil. Now let's look at the essential oils. Rosemary essential oil, lavender essential oil, and tea tree essential oil, and my black rice oil. You need a mixing spoon, a knife, and a mixing bowl. I'm going to start off by cutting my butter into smaller pieces so that it can melt faster. Never expose your butter to direct heat. Therefore, I will be using the double boiler method, and this method took me only 5 minutes on the stove. Just fill your pot with water and put your butter on the top of it and set it on the stove. Our shea butter is ready. It's now in its oily form. I'm now going to add in these other ingredients to it. I use 1 cup of my DIY growth oil, 1 cup of grapeseed oil, 1 cup of avocado oil, 1 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of black rice oil, 4 teaspoons of vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon of rosemary essential oil, 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil, 1 teaspoon of tea tree essential oil, 20 drops of organic neem oil. Half cup of Shea Butter. I'm just going to give that a good stir. And then I'm going to cover it with a cling wrap and put this in the freezer for an hour. Make sure you check your butter every 30 minutes. Our butter is ready. I'm now just going to use the hand mixer to mix it into butter form. I made a lot of this because I want this to last me for my 2 months challenge. This looks very great. I can see that my hair is going to love this. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe, join the family. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. So if that's something that interests you, please join the family. To my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I'm just going to transfer my butter into this glass container, and I'm going to keep it on a room temperature. Thanks for watching.